Hello, listeners. Here we are coming for the topic that is interviewing techniques. Welcome to the session on interviewing techniques. We would start by knowing the right way to shake hand, as it is the first point of contact between the interview and the interviewer. Keep your right hand free. Meet the other person's hand end to end. Keep hand in vertical position. Shake your from the elbow not to wrist. 2 or 3 smooth bumps. This is the right way to shake hands, is the first point of the interview techniques. Follow other topics to be covered in the workshop. In this workshop, we are covering all these 4 topics. Purpose of the interview, preparing for the interview, typical structure of the interview, typical question, and after the interview, what happened. No interview is without a purpose. The purpose of the candidate is to clarify responsibilities of the position. Determine if you can or will do the job. Determine fit. It means you are clarifying all the responsibilities which are you going to be held in this office. You will be able to do, you are fitting for this job or not. You check all the positions possibilities. What are the purpose of the interview? Evaluate candidates based on the qualification and the employer's skills, and see that you are able to fit in this or not. Hence, interviewing fulfill the purpose of the candidate as well as the interview. An appropriate time would be kept for question while scheduling. How long will the interview last? That must be clear to you. How many candidates will be interviewing this day? With whom will I be interviewing? Is there anything I should bring with me? Your paper, notes, or anything else that is needed for the interview that we should bring along with us. Know the employer, product or service, sales, asset, competition, history, field, folk office, industry, trades, chain of command, and size. All these should be known to the employer. Resources for researching the employer. CRS, planning job choice, how to research companies, business directory, career information library, employer's file, internet and journals. Know yourself. Why do you want to work for this firm? You must be clear about your weakness and strength. Are you ready to work for the firm or not? What can you do for the company? You can fulfill his requirements, his goals, and which has been given to you. Your accomplishment, experience, the past company that you have already worked. What are your strengths and what are your weaknesses? How you can face all the challenges that is coming in front of you. Your initiative, goals, and attitudes towards your work. Your responsiveness should be unique and specific to everything. Keep the following documents ready for the interview. Your portfolio, copy of a resume, list of professional references, colleges, transparents, federal application, to call it a pen, notepad, comma, brush, and breathe mints. These all are the professional person who carry along with them, who go for the interview. Dress for success. It is rightly said that the person is known by his dress and address. So coming to dress, wear outfit that makes a good impression. For women, wear knee-length and suit. Keep accessories and makeup simple. Pantsuits are most applicable but not safe them for after you obtain the job. For men, wear suits, polished shoes, and dark socks long enough so no skin shows when you are seated. We have Mention 10 tips that would help to get an interview clicked. First of all, most important, arrive on time or before time. Introduce yourself in a courteous manner, in a polite manner. Read company literature while you wait. Use body language to show your interest in the job. Do not show lethargic, painful in the body, something like that. Listen them properly what they are saying about you when you're asking any kind of question. Smile, nod, give non-verbal feedback also, because the posters will reflect how you are feeling about this job. Ask about the next step in this process. Thank you for the interview. Obtain the business card always and look over the business card just for 2 minutes also. Write a thank you letter to anyone who have spoken to you. Typical structure. It compromises small talk. Tell them about yourself. Discuss about the background and how to relate the position. Your opportunities and the conclusion, how you are come from this background and why you want this job. Everything should be mentioned below here. 5 tough interviews question related to your strength and weaknesses. The surprise question, what your passion, strength and weaknesses, about your future term goal, and scenarios question, if what if. Questions to ask in an interview. What will my duties entail? You should ask from them. What are my duties in this company if you are appointed? What kind of work can I accept to be doing in a typical day? Where does this job fit in the organizational structure of the company or not? Who would I report to? Because you should know who your boss is. What is the size of department I would be working with? How long, how small, what is the structure of your department? How is it organized? May I see it? More questions to be asked. Does the company offer any training opportunities? How would you describe the ideal candidates for this position? What qualities do you want in the person who fills this job? What do you feel would be the greatest challenge for me? What is the selective process in time from here? May I contact you if I have any further questions? After the interview, mock interview, practical practice, and internet through. Negotiating does not mean saying I want more time, saying I want more money. What actually means is meeting and discussing a subject, meeting mutual agreement of decision. Tips for discussion. Negotiation, evaluating answer question. What is the salary range, lowest range? What is the highest salary? First of all, discussing the process. What kind of process of negotiating beings would tell your initial interview? Do not reveal your salary requirement too early in the negotiating process. Evaluate the answer. What is the offer process? What is saying no, not to the money actually means meeting and discussing the subject, mutual agreement of issues. Understanding the process. Tell them about yourself, your initial interview. Do not reveal your salary. Understanding the process. What is the salary range over I consider? How lowest salary I consider worth of higher salary. Before negotiating about the salary, we must go through the beforehand regarding the current salary trends. Career, resource center, libraries, trade association and trade publication, net. Understanding the process is the most important. You do not have enough experience. Other employees aren't making money. The budget worth permit that make up paying new hires. Understanding the process. We what to respond when they say that they aren't making more. In response to the employees aren't making more statement, you might give a response such as, In C, short pause, what is the range of the position? What would it take to get to the higher level within that range? Listened are some of the ideas. I helped you during the interview process and pertain to the salary issues. Good listening skill, try not to be first. Mention money. Always. If punished, the range of the mind. If pushed, have a range in the mind. If asked, your current pay and tell the truth. The offer. Give answer in 24 hours unless you are considering the option or ask for the window of time. Ask about the other important figuring benefits before accepting the job. Avoid telephoning negotiation. Here are some examples how salary discussion might go. We would like to offer you a salary of 55,000 a year. Alternative answer. I delicately that you are interested in me based upon your experience and also because of variety of expense associated with the cost of living. I will make it rupees 60,000. I like the opportunity and I know that I would contribute, but I have several others opportunity that are in $60,000 range. Is there any way would you work with this out? I have completed a very valuable education and anticipated rupees 60,000 and a minimum. Is there a way can work that out? Give them opportunity and talk in a very polite and very convenient manner. Negotiating process. Ask if you can provide a productly review to let your future employers know what you are considered with providing the highest level of services. Before asking for more money, mention position statement that reflects your skills and why you are qualified for the job. That was all from the interview session. Wish you good luck for the interview and thank you for the interview techniques.